Welcome to Mike's Math GED 2021, the most important 50 math questions. Based on the 8 years of my teaching GED, I summarized these 50 possible quality questions, and good luck. 25. Interest. Principal is $5,000 if the rate is 4%. What's the interest for 36 months? Interest equals principal times rate times time, the t over the years. So 36 months equals 3 years. So the interest will be 5,000 times 0.04 times 3. 5,000 times 3, 15,000 times 0.04, 000, 4 times 5 is 20, 1 times 4 plus 2 is 6, so we have 1, 2, so the interest will be $600. Number 26. If Jane buys a car with $25,000, her down payment was $5,000, reaches 10% for 5 years. What's her monthly payment? We have $25,000 minus $5,000. So she borrowed $20,000. Then we have, so the interest will be 20,000 times 10% times 5. 20,000 times 5 is 100,000 times 10% will be 10,000. So the total price will be 20,000 plus 10,000 equals 30,000. 30,000 divided by 5. 5 times 12 is 60 months. So we figure out how much we have. 30,000 divided by 60 will be 500 for each month. So her monthly payment will be $500 per month. Number 27. Parameter. Parameter means length times width plus length times width, or 2 times L plus W. In this case will be 2 times 5 plus 10. 5 times 10 is 15, times 2 is 30 meters. Area. 28. Area equals length times width. So number 3 times 6 equals 18 square feet. Number 29. What's the volume? Volume equals length times width times height. So 2 times 3 times 6. 2 times 3 is 6 times 6 is 36 cubic feet. Number 30. What's the area of a triangle? Area of triangle will be area equals half times base times height equals base is 6, height is 5 equals 5 times 6 is 30, divided by 2 is 15 meters cubic square meters. 31. Mean. Mean means average. So if we add mean equals total sum divided by how many numbers? Set. So we're going to add them together. 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 15 plus 17 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 plus 13, 25, 25, 15 plus 15 is 30, 25 plus 30, 14 plus 17 is 31, so it'll be 5 plus 1 is 6, 3 plus 3 plus 2 is 86. 86 divided by 6, 6 going to 1 time, 4 times 6 is 24, and we have a 3, 18, so it'll be 14.333. Number 32, in a data set, looking for the mood, we're going to line them up. First, you always line the data up, will be 6, 6, we have 7, 7, we have 8, and 9, we have 11, 11, and 11. Since mood is the most frequent number, in this case, the 11 is the mood. Number 33, median. Median is the middle number. We have 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Make sure you copy them correctly. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we cross on each side here. We have 11 and 12. For an even set, you're going to add 11 plus 12 divided by 2. 11 plus 12 is 23, divided by 2 is 11.5. 34, we have a median for data set. We have 7, 8, 9, 11, 13, 13, and 14. The median is going to be the equals an odd number, odd set. So we're going to cross all this 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So this one is 11. Okay. Number 35. Range. Range is the difference between the biggest number minus the smallest number. Biggest number is 14. The smallest number is 7. Biggest and the smallest number. So 14 minus 7 is 7. (36) Probability. If you roll dice of a with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what's the probability of rolling the 5? We have only 1 5, so 1 out of 6 chances. 1 divided by 6, 0.1. 40, and 6 times 6 is 36, and then 40 again. So it'll be the answer probability will be 16.6, 6 repeating, or 0.166, 16.6%. Okay. Number 36, probability. There are 12 marbles, 9 are red, 3 are black. What's the probability of drawing a red marble? We have 9 red marble over 9 plus 3 is 12. 9 over 12. So we have 9 divided by 12. 12 times 7 is 7 times 2 is 14. 1 times 7 plus 2 is 86. So we have 5 times 12 is 60, so it will be 0.75, or move decimal 2 places to the right will be 75%. Solve equation 2x plus 3 equals 10. The rule of solving equation is，它的这个可能是 The first step is going to subtract 3 on both sides. So we can get rid of the numbers. 3 minus 3 is 0. So 2x equals 7. The inverse operation of multiply is divide. So divide by 2 on both sides. Cancels out. 2 and 2. So x equals 3.5. Or with a check. So we're going to put the 2 times 3.5 plus 3 equals 2 times 3.35 is 7 plus 3 is 10. So 10 and 10 equal 39. Solving equation 4/3 x equals 16. The inverse operation of multiplying 4/3 is dividing, or you can multiply. In this case, we can multiply 3/4 on both sides. So that will be canceling this fraction out. Make sure you multiply on both sides. So 3 and 3 cancels out, 4 and 4 cancels out. X equals 16 times 3/4. 4 go to 16 4 times. Now we have 4 times 3 is 12. 40. Evaluation of function. If 2x plus y, if x equals 3, so we're going to put x equals 3, y equals 1. These are given conditions, so we're going to put so 2x plus y equals 2 times 3 plus 1. 2 times 3 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So this function, the value is 7. 41. Using function 2x plus y equals 8 to fill in the chart for all the pair. We know it's 2x plus y equals 8. For the chart here. X and y. They're giving us the x equals 0, 1, and 2. So 2 times 0 plus y equals 8. So 2 times 0 is 0, y equals 8. So the first one will be 8. And number 2, we're giving the 2 times 1 plus y equals 8. Remember the inverse operation of adding is subtract on 2 on both sides. So y equals 6. Then 3 will be 2. So 2 times 2 plus y equals 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Then minus 4 on both sides. Cancels out. Y equals 4. So the other pair is going to be 0 and 8, 1 and 6, and 2 and 4. X and Y in the other pair. 42 is a bar graph. We have the gram here. We have 10 gram, 10, 20, 30, 40, and then here we have 1990, 2000, and 2010. What's the difference between 2010 and 2000? So here you can look at it as 50. For 2010 will be 50 gram. Then 2000 here is the half of between 20 and 30 will be 25. Now what's the difference? Will be 50 minus 25 equals 25 grams. 43. Pie graph. If Maxwell makes $1,000 a month, how much is his utility each month? We know he makes $1,000 a month. The utility is 20%. So it'll be 1,000 times, we change the percent decimals 1 to 0.2. 1,000 times 0.20002. Then move 1 decimal, so it's 200. 44 is a frequency table. In this class, the number of students own dogs are charted. How many students own 3 dogs? You can hear 1, 2. So with 2 students own dogs. frequent table oriented counts you see here 0. 2 people have no dogs, and 3 people has 1 dog, and 5 people has 2 dogs, and so forth. Number 45. In the right triangle ABC, if sides are 8 feet and 6 feet, what's the length of side AC or hypotenuse? We use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we can name this one the A and BC as the B. So it will be a squared plus c squared equals c squared. We don't know the c squared, so we're going to find out. So 8 times 8 is 64 plus 36. 64 plus 36 is 100 equals c squared. So c squared equals 100. The square root of 100 is 10. So 10 AC squared equals square root is 10 feet. 46. Scientific notation. Change 523 million into scientific notation. The scientific notation is going to be written like this: a number between 1 and 9. So we have 5.23 times 10 to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so that will be the answer. 47. Let me do this problem again. We're going for scientific notation will be the number, the first number between 0 to 9. So we're going to put 5.23 to the 10 to the, you count how many points we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that will be the answer. 47. Solving quadratic equation. 2x squared plus 2x minus 1. The scientific square. Make sure you know the formulas. So we have x equals 2a on the bottom, negative b plus minus b squared minus 4ac. So b for this case is 2, negative 2 times 2 plus b squared is going to be 4 minus times a is 2 times negative 1 divided by 2 times 2. So we have 2 times 4. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 4 plus 4. 4 times 2 times 1 will be 8. So it will be 4 and negative 4 plus minus 12. 4 we can put into 4 times 3. So 4 and negative 4 plus, we can square root the 4 out, will be 2 over 2 times square root of 3. Now we can simplify these numbers, so it'll be divided by 2 on both numbers will become negative 4 divided by 4 is 1, negative 1 plus half square root 3. Okay. Number 48. Solving equalities. 3x minus 1 bigger than 11. When we the inverse, so first you're going to get rid of the number, so we can plus 1 on both sides. So cancel 1 and 1 cancels out. So 3x is bigger than 12. The inverse operation of 3 multiply, you're going to divide 3 on both sides. So 3 and 3 cancels out. X is bigger or equals 4. In the slope. So slope formula will be equals y2. The slope formula will be y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we're going to have, we can use this one as x1, y1, x2, y2. So it will be y2 will be 3 minus y1 0, then divided by x2 0 minus 2. 3 minus 0 3, 0 minus 2 is negative 2, so the answer for this slope will be negative 3 over 2. So the slope is going facing this way, alright, to the left. Number 50, A. What's the volume of sphere V equals 4 over 3 pi r cubic? So in this case, it will be 4 over 3 times pi. The radius is 2, so 2 to the third power. So it will be 3, 4 pi times 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. So it will be 4 times 8 is 32 over 3 pi. Okay, you can leave like that for this problem. That's okay. And cubic meters. If you can do a similar problem with each category, the probability of you getting 145 points is very likely or certain. Create your own question in a similar format. Get familiar with the norm. If you do not know how to do a question, use a method of elimination. Cross out the obviously wrong answers. If you have to guess, choose answer C. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on notifications. Thank you.